going on, y'all? It's Joe, and I'm back with a little progress update. Yeah, I probably should have made this video earlier, but I've been a little busy recently. But yeah, I've got the chassis all complete. Here, I'll set it right here. There. Show you a little view of that. Kind of weathered it, because I know these trucks did have an issue with rusting on the frame, so I didn't want to make it all rotted out, but just add some surface weathering to it. Man, here it is, stanced up. Let's see if I can grab it with my right hand and flip it over and try not to break it. Oh, there she sits right there. I like the stance of that though, it looks cool. And yeah, here's the dashboard. I still gotta dull coat the gray part on it, and I sprayed that. I think it was Krylon, either pewter gray or gloss or whatever, and I just hand painted by brush the center part right in there, just with some of the testers flat on enamel black. But yeah, a lot of the interior tub right here, just I got that all done, but or not done, I got it all, I'm getting it all sanded so I can wash it, prime it, paint it. And yeah, I don't know about doing seat belts or stuff for this, because I've never, if anybody has made the shoulder belts for a modern car, has any tips on how to do it, feel free to comment in the video. I'm still looking into that, but yeah, until next time, peace y'all, God bless.